and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Wiha Tools 8-piece 3/8-inch drive SAE impact socket set, which is engineered for impact drivers with optimized geometry to reduce cam out and ensure precise fit. The set is made from heat-treated steel for increased durability and longer life and high-torque applications. Rigorously tested to handle tough fastening tasks, Relieve's 6-point design provides increased contact area for better grip and reduced fastener wear. Features a manganese phosphate finish for corrosion resistance. Rotating design keeps sockets visible, accessible, and securely in place. Next is TOPDON's handheld thermal imaging camera, which is a professional thermal camera built for precise measurable inspections. It features 256 by 102 IR resolution with TISR supported image processing, bumping it to an effective 512 by 384. The camera is designed to deliver clear thermal detail for electrical, industrial, and technical work. An integrated visible light camera and built-in laser distance measurement provide added context and accuracy during inspections. Our third tool is a 3-piece heavy-duty tie rod end remover set from CAIMAN Tools, which comes with the 3 most popular tie rod end sizes commonly found on Class 3 through 8 trucks and equipment. Designed to provide a safer method for removing tie rods without damage to threaded areas, rubber seals, and grease nipples. The manganese phosphate coating resists corrosion. Next is the Vampire Tools VAMPLIERS CAIMAN 7.5-inch multi-purpose screw extractor long nose pliers, which are designed to be a versatile all-in-one solution for professionals. Combining screw extraction, crimping, cutting, and wire work, it's ideal for multi-industry use, including automotive, aerospace, electrical, construction, and HVAC applications. Its precision jaws remove stripped or rusted screws and handle hard-to-reach fasteners, accommodating 2 to 5.5 millimeter heads. Intermesh teeth provide superior grip, according to the company, for twisting and bending wires, while the built-in crimper fits 1.25 to 2.5 millimeter wires. Crafted from high-carbon Japanese steel with ergonomic TPR handles. Our last tool is the 5A Portable Air Compressor from NOCO, which is a 12-volt air compressor with a 90-watt motor rated at maximum pressure of 130 psi. The AL5 utilizes advanced motor and airflow design in a compact form. This compressor inflates a car tire from flat to 40 psi in under 7 minutes, according to NOCO. An integrated sensor measures pressure as the user inflates, then stops automatically at the set target. Additional features include a premium brass nozzle, integrated hose clips, a 10-inch abrasion-resistant braided air hose, a USB-C port, an integrated lithium battery, and an anti-vibration rubber base. Thanks for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products pique your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.